We are glad to see you've decided to stay with us. I assume you've completed and reviewed the documentation during your trial. If not, we highly recommend you finish the indicator section of the training as soon as possible. It's essential to unlocking the full value of our platform. Now, let's dive deeper into what you get as a full member. As you know, our core product is the TradingView Indicator Suite, but our service goes far beyond that, and everything we offer is built to the same professional standard. That's because our indicators are just the graphical interface for deeper algorithms, designed by top-tier developers, seasoned traders, and data analysts, and constantly improved based on feedback and real-time market changes. In this video, I'll walk you through curated price action, fundamental, and on-chain alerts, our macro timeline, economic events, and live news streams, L3 signal alerts, Masterclass training courses, community parameter baselines. One algorithm can serve multiple purposes depending on how it's visualized, and that brings us to our market alerts interface inside the Discord terminal. These alerts aren't just messages, they're real-time insights powered by the same core logic behind our indicators. Whether it's a structural breakout, macro timing shift, or on-chain liquidity signal, you'll often see it before it plays out. That means you're never left reacting late. Our alert types include price action-based alerts, like breakout confirmations, algorithmic signals, like Golden Pit from Power Ranger or liquidation line exhaustion from Grim Reaper, strategy-based alerts, like explosive move and swift arbitrage, which track extreme exchange funding rates to identify large move potential and arbitrage opportunities, and these are just the beginning. We're constantly adding new alerts with full documentation coming soon to the docs site. But keep this in mind, not every alert leads to a major move. Markets are complex. Timing, context, and volatility all matter. One signal is never enough, so we aim for balance. Not too noisy, not too rare. Use the indicators to validate, confirm, and filter signals for the highest probability setups. It becomes second nature with a little practice. The crypto market is narrative and event-driven, so staying informed and timely is essential. That brings us to our Macro and Institutional Alerts series, which delivers all major crypto news aggregated in one place, AI-generated summaries every 6 hours, real-time economic event alerts, breaking headlines, institutional research reports, on-chain whale monitoring. It's designed to capture every market-moving factor beyond price charts, from CPI data and ETF rumors to Fed speeches and whale wallet shifts. And with millisecond delivery latency, you'll never be a step behind. Go ahead, give it a try. You may find it's the most actionable, real-time crypto news feed you've ever used. Next up, the L3 signal alerts. We call them L3 because they're based on human analysis, guided by insights from Layer 2 algorithmic data. If you're unfamiliar with our data layer system, check the docs site. Now let's be clear, we don't recommend copying trades. Why? Because when you copy someone else, you're missing critical context, strategy, risk management, and capital allocation. And no, setting a stop loss alone doesn't equal proper risk management. Even the best signals can cause losses if you don't have a system behind them. And now that you have access to some of the most powerful tools at your disposal, you're more equipped than most traders out there. You have what it takes to lead, not follow. That said, signals can still help. Elite traders, though they are not always right, often spot opportunities early, especially on overlooked tokens, saving you hours of market scanning. That's why we carefully curate signal feeds from high-performing sources and deliver them through the L3 signal channel. Just remember, no one gets rich by copying trades. The best trade is always the one you plan, with your tools, your logic, and your own system. We know not every trader joins us with the same background. You might have 5 years of experience. Or maybe you opened your first exchange account last week. No worries. We're here to level the playing field. We've collected and shared hundreds of premium trading masterclasses covering fundamentals and charting, pattern recognition, trading psychology, strategy design, and system building. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader, there's something valuable inside. We've also organized these courses into 3 tiers, based on content depth, difficulty, and cognitive stage. The basic and advanced levels are free for community members. Finally, let's talk about our community parameter baselines. These are battle-tested trading presets, created through both internal testing and feedback from our user base. Use them as is or customize them into your own trading system. They're designed to help you avoid common mistakes and align with high-probability setups. And since markets evolve, these baselines are regularly updated and available to all members. Absorbing everything at once is nearly impossible. And that's okay. Take your time. No successful trader became skilled overnight. If you haven't completed your indicator training, start there. Because without a solid system to analyze, confirm, and filter, everything else is just noise. We hope this video gave you a clear orientation of what lies beyond our indicators and the powerful tools now at your fingertips. Stay safe in the markets, and may the odds be ever in your favor.